Hi, you guys. Welcome to the Parrot Life. This is a typical video of what I do owning birds. I am going to work. I teach piano, and after that, during break, I am taking care of my girlfriend's birds. So I'm also pet sitting. Then I am going to feed my birds after work. So this video is going to be my daily routine of what I do in my life. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel if you like birds. So this is my friend's blue and gold macaw, and I'm currently showering him. It's a really nice, beautiful day here, and the birds are getting a lot of sun. It's important to shower your bird every day, and they need to get drenched. I recommend showering them with a hose instead of a mister, but I'm just babysitting, so I pulled out the mister, and this works great too. And as you can see, he's absolutely loving it. Hi, Charlie. So in the daily life of a pet sitter, I always change their bowls in early afternoon because they can have no water and the food bowls are really dirty. So this is how their snack time is. Now I just came back from teaching piano to young kids, and I am now making dinner for my birds and also my friend's birds as well, because I'm going to go right after I feed my birds. Good morning, you guys. I just woke up. I'm not feeling that good. Not like sick wise, but I'm just a little bit slow today. So I'm just walking my dogs. This is how our morning starts, and it's such a beautiful day.